fucking...
Yeah, because you're shouting. You're always shouting.
Ellen, pwedeng
You always raise your voice.
Shouting. I'm always shouting.
You don't have
Jess,
to raise...
naligaw na ba ako dito sa pamahay na to?
Tubag, Jess.
Napakamanhid mo. Putang ina, eto na, sa'yo na to, putang ina. Ha, pare.
Diba, I told you I was quiet because why was she so worried about the things when the house is
Maybe
falling
because
off?
that means something
Oh,
to her.
okay.
Kasi ang problema sa'yo, everything is an object that can be
Okay.
replaced. So sabihin mo sa akin, pareho kami? Sabihin mo, tingnan mo mangyayari dito. Sabihin mo! Hindi mo masabi. I wish you could look at yourself in the mirror and see how you are. You're too cool. You're the shit. Ano ba ng mga boss mo? Punta puro ka pasisira sa akin. Grabe, ang sarap ng pakiramdam. Ang taong mahal mo, walang magsabing maganda tungkol sa'yo. Pareho pala kami? Bakit mo ako pinakasalan? Putang ina. Di ba yun ang tanong?
Learn from me, don't rush. Pili, day. Pili. Diba? At least kung gwapo-gwapo, makaingon ka. Wala kayo mabitaw na in love ko ito na kayo tungod gwapo, magod. Shallow kayo. Kaysa batignaw. Nag-iilad po dyan ka. Masa mo ingon. Nabatik po dyan na. Nag-iilad po dyan ko. Pili. Pili. Yes, Elias is spending Christmas with John Lloyd, and this is the first time ever na not divided iyang time, because before it was half-half. So yes, Elias is spending Christmas with John Lloyd, but he will be with me after Christmas, New Year's. Liana, I allowed Liana to go with her father's family because nakiusap man ang papa ni Derek Dai if Liana could go, if I could reconsider. At first I didn't allow, but he's sick and I don't want to carry that guilt because who knows what's going to happen. I don't want to carry that guilt na I didn't allow Liana to spend time with her grandfather. Can I sleep peacefully at night if something happens to him and I didn't allow her? So there. Fuck. Joke. Mamam. Mamam. Mamam means milk. Now it means food. John Lloyd is always Elias' father figure because he's present. John Lloyd is Elias is very in love with John Lloyd. They have a very close relationship. Elias is very in love with his father. So when the breakup happened, so I thank John Lloyd today. Thank you kay John Lloyd. Like imagine if you're not there. Imagine if you're not present. So super na sila ka-close ni John Lloyd na to the point where when John Lloyd brings Elias back to me, Elias cries like, oh, I miss my dada. Ana, mana yan. Wako kibaw pa dahi, but sigurado magpanty ko magbra. Actually, super chika na kami dahi. Kasama na siya sa GC. Manood na ako ng Unmarry Me. Okay. So relatable. Unmarry. Ask him. Hi, Austin. Hi, Kuya Austin. Day, chika galore kay mi, day. She's so nice. Elias loves her. She's cool. She's so pleasant. And she's fun. Grabe ang sense of humor. So, chill rest siya. So, Hi, Isabel. Ano pa yung mga chi? Hindi pa mga chi natin. Lo, anong naamang ka din Gastok-stok ka na ko, ga-follow ka na ko. Anong nakimaritas man ka sa kong life? Hindi ka yun, i-block ko. Para ka ma-block din mo. Para chill mong life niya. Peaceful mong life. Bad trip man ka na ko. Hans Galego. Fuck off. Stay away. Stay away from me. Stay away from my social media. Or if you see me, i-hide post, hide favorite whatever. Avoid me like the plague. That's the smartest thing you can do. What we? Nagbakasyon na guys ya. Just kay tagal mong nawala. babalik ka rin. Hapit na siya mabalik, day.